So we're doing this one kind of like a director's commentary style, right? There we go. Alright, that's the intro. Okay, here's that liquid latex stuff. We're gonna be doing a spray up. So this is gonna be painted at some point. I don't think I show that in this video. But first of all, you know, you want to rough up everything that you're working on. So, you know, I just took a little sanding spudge, just gave it a little bit of tooth here on the surface, all over. You don't have to go crazy. Just make sure you do something. Then I applied the liquid latex in different sort of areas. I try to keep it random, you know, try to get your happy little chips on, get your Bob Ross on, and just do some happy little accidents, happy little chips. And then it comes off, you know, I sprayed it yellow because I want to keep it sort of industrial looking. And then it comes off, especially when you know where it is, keep track of where it is, and it's easy to kind of peel it up. Yeah, make some great little shapes. See, there's that slash that I was doing earlier, and it comes up really well. So yeah, so this is to add the sort of chipping effect to the paint here. I also did do some other effects that are coming up. Okay, so this eventually got attached to my pack, and I did some stripes on it using this vinyl. It's like a drawer liner vinyl kind of thing. Cut out little strips, you know, as best as I could. Tried to keep it as uniform as possible. Cut them out. Used even the little cutoff points as other little details. As you can see down there, I had one that was through a chip, so I taped down the stripe and then sort of cut out around the chip and made sure that it was showing that way. Anyway, looks like that's about it. So thanks for watching. Mike, roll the thing. The thing is already rolling. Click on one of the things here. Should work.